Got my 2017 Chevy Equinox here with a 2.4 liter Ecotec engine in it, and I don't believe the throttle body's probably ever been clean in this engine, but having some hesitation during acceleration lately, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that up, and I'll show you how to do that right now. First thing we're going to do is remove this piece right on top of the engine here. We just want to pull up on that. It's got like grommets that just hold it in place. Okay, I got the back loose, and there is a screw down here that holds it in place on this hose clamp right here. You want to remove that in order to get that off. I cannot see it. Okay, I got that pretty well loosened up now. Now it should just pull off like that. Just gonna pull it up and out of the way a little bit like so. Now we got 4 bolts here we have to remove, and a wire right here. So what we're gonna do is pull back on the red tab. Got to move back like that, and then there's a tab on the inside here. You got to press down on that and pull that back. And then to remove these bolts here, I'm gonna grab a socket and a wrench. Now I'm just gonna remove those 4 bolts. 10 millimeter is what I figured it is. Go ahead and take those 4 out. You can clean it as it sits in the vehicle, but I'd rather have it out, do a little more thorough cleaning. But you can just spray the cleaner on it here and clean it. Then it just comes right out. You can see how dirty that is, the scoring, or the carbon buildup on there. It's pretty nasty. We're gonna go give her a once over. So what I'm gonna use is a CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner. And I'm just gonna spray it on there. And then just take a shop towel. Look at the crud that's already coming off there. Even if this doesn't solve my problem, it's something I've never done to this car, so it definitely needs it. Who knows if it's ever been done. 100,000 plus miles on it. Grab a cleaner towel here, a new one. Give her another shot. And I would suggest go ahead and put some pressure on there to open that thing up, open the butterfly valve up. Okay, good enough. Now we'll just take our 4 bolts and stick them right back in and put it right back in place. Now I would say that wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great either. I've seen a lot worse than that. And then we'll plug in our electrical. Make sure to press down on that red tab to get it to lock. And then we'll put this back in, make sure that we line that up down there, as well as the little tabs in the back. Tighten it up. So that's all there is to it to clean your throttle body on your Chevy Equinox or GMC Terrain. What is it? 2.4 Ecotech. 2.4 liter Ecotech engine. If you got something out of it, subscribe and give me a like, and we'll see you next time. Later.